Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying to get this Goal Z picked on video. This is the key bitting, and it's a 7-pin black belt lock, my second black belt lock. I just picked it 3 times in a row, so hopefully we can get this thing done and finally get it done. So I'll be picking it with this 23 thousandths jade gem from Bare Bones and some wiper insert. Just start in the back, nothing on 7, 6, 5, 3, click on 3, 2, we got some core movement, 1, good, yeah, counter rotation on 7, click on 7, okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 is good, 2, 1, 6 is good, 5, little click there, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think I got a bunch of stuff in overmilling, so that was just 7. Felt like it had a little core movement there, so I think that one, there's 6. I think that might be out of the overmilling. We're just kind of tapping things, seeing if we can get them to move up at all. Using kind of a little heavier tension. 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We'll click on 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, and we are open. Holy smokes. Okay. Let's do this thing. We are for sure open. Keep this on screen. We can get rid of the vise. We need the key. We don't need the picks. We need a pinning tray. We need a screwdriver, follower, tweezers. Okay. Let's do this thing. Okay, obviously it is open. So I'm now going to log it back up so that we can get this thing gutted. Okay, remove the actuator from the back. Okay, set that down, remove that. Holy cow, I can't believe I got it open. Holy smokes. This is awesome. Even my dogs are excited. Okay, there's the actuators off. Okay. So here's the key. In we go. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, let's go about there. Okay, there we go. Set that down for now. We'll drop these ball bearings. Crap. Okay, let's fix this while we're at it. We lost one little master wafer real quick. Let's put it back where it goes while we still can. Okay, just show you. There's the pins. Okay. Let's get this. Let's get the side springs out of there. Maybe. All right, let's get this key out of here. It's screwing us up. Okay, that's not going to work. So we're going to have to dump the pins as they are. So, oh well. Let's go 7. Here's 7. 6. 5. 4. Get out of there. There was a master wafer that did not come into play. 3. Okay, let's get 1 and 2. Okay, let's fix this. Okay. Come out of there. Okay, there's the key. Here is the core. You can see the overmilling. Get this spring out of there. And there's the other spring. The other ball bearing spring right there. Let's get a pick. Okay, so we have overmilling. You can see all that. The counter milling. My leg's shaking here, so there's that. Now, let's get the pins out. Okay. So this is the front. Okay, there's the pin from number 1. It's standard. The gin, there's like a gin wafer almost that didn't come into play down in the bottom. You'll see it when I pull everything else out. Let's grab the spring while we're here. There's the spring. Okay, let's get number 2. There's a master wafer there. Get the second. You see the state. There's the gin. Okay, there's the gin there. Okay. Get the spring. Spring, come out of there. Okay, there's the spring. Spring. Okay, there's the top of the gin there. You see there's the top of the gin. Okay. And the spring there. Okay. Hold on 2 seconds. Okay. A little more light. Okay, see if we can get number 4 here. And then we'll flip it around. There's the gin for number 4. Okay. There's the top of the gin from 4. Let's get that spring out of there. Another spring. Okay, now let's flip it around and get the last 3. Okay, there's a big old spool from number 7. Maybe if I can get it to focus. Big old spool. Okay, let's grab that spring. Okay. Get number 6. Okay, there's the top of the gin. Okay, top of the gin. Grab that spring. Maybe come out. Okay. Last pin. There's another gin. Get this guy out of here. There's the top of the gin. Maybe get it to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Okay. Get that last spring. Last spring. Okay. Other than that, pretty standard Goal Z core. Get a close-up of these pins. Holy smoke, I'm shaking. Let me fix these up. Okay, that one's right. This is out of order. This goes up there. This is upside down. This is upside down. This is upside down. Okay, I think that's upside down. That is upside down. Holy smokes, I got everything upside down in here. Holy crap. That's right. Good. Okay. Okay. You see, the only one that we had a standard come to play is number 1. But there is that weird gin-like, um, gin-like master wafer, sorta. But there are gins or spools and everything else. I got this one from White. He said we were still good for black, so it just is what it is. It's still a really, really freaking hard lock. So definitely had both ball bearings in it. There they are with the springs. I showed you the core with the counter milling. So that is all. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much to everybody who supported me to this point and gave me encouragement and told me that I could do it. So I did it. I'm freaking jazzed. So thank you so much to everybody. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, this is great. So awesome. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to stand here for a second and make sure that there's nothing that I forgot. I think I got everything. I showed the core. I showed the counter milling. We're just making sure. I don't think I forgot anything, so I think we're all good. Anyway, again, thank you so much to everybody for the support. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.